put his dream with mind and heart. And when it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true to you and me. 'Cause there's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the edge of every day.
Well, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.
And just a dream away.
Oh my God, look at Mickey broke his back. Oh. Ah.
Mickey's arms look silly.
Oh.
Okay, let's go!
Oh boy.
We are Nick
and
Kat. Hopefully it got me.
And we are on an adventure in
Disneyland Paris. We just came upon this and we thought this was really special. It's a little fireplace.
And it has
Lily and Walt for Disney. This just looked really special.
I think that's for opening day up there.
This is very pretty.
It's really nice. What are they doing?
Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
The way the stained glass is.
And looks like she still has her Christmas decorations up. I see a Christmas tree over there. La Belle au Bois Dormant.
Sleeping Beauty.
I knew that. Pretty. Sleeping Beauty's little woodland friends. The best.
These are
Flora, fauna, Merriweather. Yeah, that's like legit.
sewn pieces of fabric just to look like seams. It's incredible.
Oh, and look! Spinning needle. Beautiful. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's totally snoring. He's snoozing on his job. My lighting's giving this justice, but there are totally real birds up there. That was not Disney, as I had thought before. Those are real birdies up there.
That is some Disney magic.
Granted, it's us, and we generally don't know what's going on, but we found a Christmas store. Remember how I was like gonna not spend money? Well, here it goes. Gorgeous. I guess that's one of our favorite YouTubers would say. Christmas is starting now. Wow. Oh, look how happy they are. I'd be happy too if it was Christmas. Temperature feels like Christmas. Whoa. Christmas placemats. Christmas ornaments. Sardines. Christmas. Who plays the violin? What? Stop with all these cute things. Oh my god. Where's Gus? I'm gonna go around you because I want to see Gus.
Well, I don't know if Gus is part of this.
No. Oh,
Gus doesn't really help.
We have to go find Gus though. Ooh, La Menagerie du Royaume. Okay, let's go there.
The French.
Oh, cute. Very cute. Oh my god. Nickle's the new Goofy.
Well, one's still a dingle.
Yeah, he's Dingo. Beautiful store. Beautiful store.
This is the Disneyland exclusive, Disneyland Paris exclusives. You can get your very own giant chocolate coins, and of course it's like a hidden
How many
Mickey.
euro is it?
This is 47 euro. No, it doesn't. Oh, 3 euro.
3 euro. Okay.
Yeah. 47.
47.
Oh, a Mickey hand in the US is about 25. They give you 2 Mickey hands.
2 Mickey hands.
And it's only 18 euro.
18. Very nice. So take a look at some of the ears. You can see the little chipmunk butts. And then the chipmunk fronts. Those are the cutest ears. Some kids' shirts for your babies. Excuse me. And here's some normal people sized shirts. Like me. Sometimes.
This is one of the patterns that we saw in a lot of the other countries where it's just a continuous.
Yeah, how much is that now?
That is 26 euro.
26 euro. Not bad. I like this shirt too. Nom 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 nom. Oh no, Mr. Caterpillar, don't eat the duck. Ooh.
Up, down, that way, over there, over yonder. Which way?
Little door. It is the Cheshire Cat. Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Who are you?
C'est cette petite fontaine d'Alice.
I can do Spirit as a parent. I love it.
Maybe we can find our way out.
If one can, then two can.
Then 3 cans can probably even do more than that.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh my God.
You're adorable. I eat you sometimes. 2 can.
Wait for my photo.
And there is the Cheshire Cat. Beautiful. And then we almost missed this Cheshire. All the way on the other side. Sneaky little cat. Well, if you're going that way, then I'll go this way. Oh, King!
Well, King Quickles.
Mayor of Quickleton.
You know, I remember hearing about this Queen of Hearts or something. I'd hate if I ever ran into her, because then I'd give her a piece of my mind. You know, but I guess I'll never say it. Oh my God!
C'est avec vos têtes que je vais jouer au croquet.
There she goes under the bridge of cards. Hey, here she goes. What'd you find a pigeon? What'd you find a pigeon?
All the Star Wars ships. Nick will show, I'll put some pictures of some of them in.
Really cool. The U-Wing and the TIE Striker are both from Rogue One. You don't really see too many of those that often. But you do see the Blue Squadron. We're going to be attacking a combat, let's see, Star Destroyer. Yeah.
Very cool. Let's go. Hyperspace Mountain away.
I can hardly wait till tomorrow. Well, see you soon.
Bye.
Oh boy, what a day. I don't know about you folks, but I had the best time ever. It sure was great to see ya. Gosh, I'm just sorry it's time to say goodnight. So I won't. So long, everybody. Aw, gee, pal. Sure was swell seeing you today. And I hope we all get to see you again real soon. So long now.